Dear Divine Souls, Namaste. I bow to you all. My humble greetings to all of you. I am Tirtha from Bliss Foundation, India. Our mission is to change the lives through the power of divine love, compassion, and charity, to create a peaceful world around us with full of positive actions, joy, and bliss. We achieve our mission through 3 C's: connect, create, collaborate with transparency. Samhasa, mutual joy, is essence of our philosophy of operation. We run a Knowledge for the Soul program with yoga as its core focal point to impart wellness to the society and to enrich our lives. Today's event, Bliss Yoga at Workplace, alternately we also call it as Bliss Chair Yoga, is one such program under Knowledge for Soul, which we'll be practicing now as a curtain raiser to the celebration of 7th International Day of Yoga on 21st June in association with Embassy of India, Muscat, Oman. How are you? How are you feeling now? For a few moments, please close your eyes gently and observe yourself. Please gently open your eyes. I will ask again this question at the end of session, and you will find that this Bliss Chair Yoga session has surely relaxed you and rejuvenated you to a higher state. Yoga means union. Therefore, whatever will be practiced today here, I request all of you to join wholeheartedly, and we'll do the same in complete unity. Now here, 5 simple rules for Bliss Chair Yoga. Rule number 1, follow the guidelines as instructed during practice. Rule number 2, your stomach should be empty. That is, food eaten must have been digested by this time. Rule number 3, observe your body during the practice with full awareness, with love and affection. Rule number 4, practice yoga with complete breathing synchronization as instructed during the practice. Last and rule number 5, enjoy the practice with a smiling face. Make practice Thiram and Sukham. We'll practice Bliss Chair Yoga in 6 steps. Step 1, relaxation. Step 2, invocation prayer. Step 3, loosening exercises, Sthilikarna bands. Step 4, asanas. Step 5, pranayams. Step 6, meditation and blessings and closing prayer. All these steps we'll practice sitting on a chair. So now get ready. Please gently close your eyes. Sit comfortably with spine straight and observe yourself. Step 1, please take a deep breath through nostril and slowly exhale through your mouth 3 times. Then take deep breath through your nostril and slowly exhale through your nostrils 3 times. As you exhale, feel you are more relaxed. With each exhalation, your relaxation is increasing. Let us start the practice. Step 2, invocation prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu, Sahano Bhunaktu, Sahabhiryam Karavavahe, Tejasvina Vaditamastu, Ma Vidyasavahe. Om Santihi, Santihi, Santihi. Om, may we all be protected. May we all be nourished. May we work together with great energy. May our intellect be sharpened. Let there be no animosity amongst us. Om, peace in me, peace in nature. Let there be peace in divine forces. Step 3, we'll start with breathing exercises, 3-count bayams. We'll start with rotation. We'll rotate our body clockwise 3 times, counterclockwise 3 times, half semicircle with inhalation and half semicircle with exhalation. Let us start the practice. Take an inhalation, go down with exhalation, and start rotating clockwise 3 times, then counterclockwise 3 times. Do it gently and slowly, and keep observing changes in your body. Then we twist to the right, twist to the left. Take an inhalation with exhalation, twist to the right, inhale, come to the center, exhale, twist to the left, inhale, come to the center, exhale, twist to the right. This is 1 round. We'll practice 3 rounds. Next, we'll practice neck bending exercises. We'll practice neck forward, backward bending. Inhale, go back, exhale, bend forward. Again, inhale, go back, exhale, bend forward. We'll practice 3 times. Let us start. Observe the changes in your neck muscles. Now we practice neck rotation, clockwise 3 times, counterclockwise 3 times, half semicircle inhalation, half semicircle exhalation. Inhale, go back, exhale, bend forward, and start practice. Keep observing changes in your body. Now we'll practice hand raise breathing. We'll inhale, stretch our right arm up, exhale, bring it down. Then we'll inhale, stretch our left arm up. We'll exhale, slowly bring it down. Let's start it. Feel the stretch. Let's repeat 6 times with each hand. Now we'll practice overhead arm press. Please hold 1 liter of water bottle in each of your hand. Just visualize that you are holding 1 liter of water bottle. Just move little up and down and fill the weight of water bottle. You can fill it. Now, while filling the weight of water bottle, 1 liter water bottle, with inhalation, raise your right hand up. With exhalation, bring it down. Then left hand, with inhalation, move it up. With exhalation, bring it down. Let us practice 3 times with each hand. Please feel the changes in your arm muscle. Now, rest your hands on your legs, still holding the water bottle. We'll do the bicep curl 3 times with each hand while feeling the changes in your arm muscles. Do it slowly and gently. Inhale, fold your hand, exhale, open it up. You can keep your eyes open or semi-closed or fully closed as per your convenience. But pay attention to the changes in your body during the practice. Okay. Next, we'll relax our shoulders by forward rotation 3 times and backward rotation 3 times. We'll practice it with inhalation and exhalation. Half semicircle with inhalation, half semicircle with exhalation. Let's start it. Then we practice leg straightening exercises. We'll inhale, stretch our right leg forward, exhale, bring it down, then with left leg. Each leg 6 times. Feel the stretch in your leg muscles. Start the practice. Now please rotate your ankle 6 times clockwise, 6 times counterclockwise. First start with right ankle, then with the left ankle. What is important that you pay attention to the changes in your body during each and every movement. Next, we practice tricep dip. We inhale, sit down on the floor, exhale, sit back on the chair. We'll practice it for 6 times. Next, we'll practice Vastrika Pranayama. 3 rounds. In each round, we'll do 12 times rapid inhalation and exhalation. Place your hands by the side of your body, make fist. With inhalation, raise your hands up, open up your fist. With exhalation, bring it down. And again, make fist. First round, 12 times. Let us start it. Keep observing changes within you. Now, second round, 12 times. Let us start it. Keep observing changes within you. Now, third round, 12 times. Let us start it. Gently place your hands on your leg. Pay attention to the changes within you. Now, join your palms in Anjali Mudra. Inhale, press. Exhale, relax. Now, press your fingertips with inhalation, with exhalation, relax. Stop the practice. Now, step 4. Asanas. We will start it with chair seated hip opener posture. With inhalation, raise your right ankle up, place it on the left knee. With exhalation, bend forward from your waist. Let us start it. Feel the stretch in your body. Inhale, sit straight, exhale, release the posture. Let's repeat on the opposite side. Release the posture. Next, we'll practice chair forward fold with extended side angle bend. With inhalation, arch back. With exhalation, bend forward. Place your palms on the ground. Now with inhalation, raise your left hand up and look up towards the ceiling. With exhalation, slowly bring it down, rest it on the floor. Now with inhalation, raise your right hand up and look towards the ceiling. With exhalation, slowly bring it down, rest on the floor. With inhalation, come to the sitting posture. Next, we'll practice chair wide leg forward fold. Open up your legs, make a cradle with your hand. Inhale, arch back, exhale, bend forward. With inhalation, come to sitting posture. With exhalation, release the pose. Next, we'll practice chair spinal twist posture. Inhale, place your right leg across the left leg and with exhalation, twist to the right. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, release the posture. Let us repeat on the opposite side. Feel the twist, twisting effect in your body. Release the posture. Next, we'll practice chair triangle pose. Please sit on the one edge of the chair. Right leg at 90 degree, left leg at 45 degree to the floor. Anjali Mudra. Inhale, hands parallel. Exhale, bend to the right and look up. With inhalation, come to hands parallel posture. Exhalation, Anjali Mudra. Now let us repeat on the opposite side. Anjali Mudra. Inhale, hands parallel, exhalation, bend to the left and look up. Inhale, hands parallel, exhalation, Anjali Mudra. Now please again sit on the opposite side. We practice chair warrior pose. Anjali Mudra. Now warrior one with inhalation, arch back with both of your hands and face to the right. Exhale, hands parallel. Look towards the right fingertips. Warrior two. Now inhale, arch back, touch your left hand on the left leg, right hand arching back, warrior three. Now the exhalation, again hands parallel. Take an inhalation while exhaling, come to Anjali Mudra. We'll repeat on the opposite side. Anjali Mudra. Warrior one. Warrior two, hands parallel. Warrior three. Again, hands parallel. Take an inhalation while exhaling, come to Anjali Mudra. Now we practice chair Urdhva. Inhale, raise both your hands up and stretch your whole body out. Look towards the ceiling. Exhale, bring your hands down. Next, we practice chair full body stretch. With inhalation, we'll stretch our legs out, stretch our hands out, whole body will vibrate. Let's start. With exhalation, come to normal position. Keep your eyes closed. Arms in open posture. Observe the changes within you. We'll practice chair restorative pose, Savasana. Keep your spine loosely straight. Whole body relaxed. We'll pay attention to our body part by part and relax it. Gently focus on the top of your head. and relax it. Relax the back part of your head. Right side, left side. Pay attention to the right breath, left breath, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, ears, cheeks. Gently observe your full face and relax it. As you pay attention, it will be automatically relaxed. Please shift your attention to your neck area and relax the neck. Now right side shoulder, left side shoulder, right arm, upper arm, elbow joint, lower arm, right wrist joint, right palm, all the 5 fingers on the palm. Please relax your right hand. Now shift your attention to the left hand. Relax the upper arm, elbow joint, lower arm, wrist joint, left palm, and all the 5 fingers on the left palm. Relax it completely. Shift your attention to the back side of your body. Relax your upper back. Middle back. Lower back. Your back side is now completely relaxed. Shift your attention to your chest area and relax. Stomach area and relax. Abdominal area, relax your upper abdomen, lower abdomen. Please relax your waist completely. When you pay attention, it will be relaxed automatically. Shift your attention to the right leg. Relax the upper leg, thigh muscles. Right knee joint. Lower leg, calf muscles. Right ankle. Right foot. Your right leg is now completely relaxed. Please shift your attention to the left leg. Relax the upper leg, thigh muscles. Left knee. lower leg, calf muscles, left ankle joint, left foot. Your left leg is totally relaxed. Your whole body is relaxed completely. Just observe your body with loving affection. Do nothing. Now please be aware of your environment, the surrounding sounds. Be aware of the room you are sitting, the doors and windows of the room. Move your hands little. Move your legs little. Stretch your body little. Rub your palms, warm it up, massage your face, massage your eyes, and slowly open your eyes. Next, we will practice step 5 pranayams. Now again, gently close your eyes. Keep the palms in open posture. Keep observing your breath, natural breath. We'll practice pranic breathing in Pranamudra. Join the tips of thumb, ring finger, and little finger. Thumb, ring finger, and little finger in Pranamudra. Other fingers you will loosely straight. We'll inhale for 6 count. Hold the breath for 3 count. Exhale for 9 count. Again hold the breath for 3 count. 6, 3, 9, 3. Pattern of breathing will follow. Please inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Please continue the practice at your own mental count. 6, 3, 9. Now please stop the practice. Release the prana mudra, palms in open posture. Just observe your natural breathing. Watch your breath with loving attention. Now we practice Kapalbhati in combination with Agnisara Kriya. Kapalbhati is the forceful exhalation. The inhalation will be passive and automatic. You have to start with exhalation. We do 20 strokes of Kapalbhati, and after 20 strokes, when stomach is inside, we are in air empty state. We'll bend our neck, lock it, and in that air empty state, no inhalation, no exhalation state, we'll flop our stomach muscles up and down 12 times. So 12 times and this are 20 strokes of Kapalbhati, 12 strokes of Agnisara Kriya, and 1 round of practice. We practice 3 rounds. Let us start with Kapalbhati, 20 strokes, followed by 12 strokes of Agnisara Kriya. At the end of first round, take few deep breathings to relax you. And keep observing changes within you. Now second round, 20 plus 12. Let us start it. Keep observing changes within you. Now third round, 20 plus 12. Just keep observing your natural breath. Next, we practice Anulom Vilom. We'll start with left nostril. We'll exhale from left nostril. Then we'll inhale through the left nostril and then exhale through the right. Then inhale to the right and exhale to the left. We'll do it in Nasik Mudra. And we'll close the right nostril with thumb and the left nostril with the ring finger. Thumb, ring finger, and the finger will be straight. Other two fingers will remain folded in Nasik Mudra. Left palm will keep in our lap, facing up. So please start the practice of Anulom Vilom. Do it slowly and gently. No sound coming from your nostrils. Exhale through the left nostril and start the practice. Please stop the practice. Palms in open posture. Just watch your breath with loving attention. Watch your natural breath. Now step 6. Meditation, blessings, and closure prayer. Just keep watching your breath. When you can no longer watch your breath, it has become so vivid, so gentle that you cannot watch. Then shift your attention and observe your whole body with loving attention. And when you are comfortable with watching your whole body with loving attention, then shift your attention to the point between your eyebrows, the third eye point, and observe it gently. Do not stress your forehead, observe it gently. If stress is coming, again shift your attention and observe your whole body. If your mind is going here and there, bring it back, observe your breath, and then switch over to object your whole body. And when you are okay with it, observe your third eye point. Follow this sequence when your mind is wandering here and there, bring it back to your breath, your body, and third eye point. Now gently come back to your body. Be aware of the environment you are sitting, surrounding sounds, the doors and windows of the room you are sitting. Visualize one small globe of earth before you. Raise your hands in blessing mode. Let the excessive energy flow out from your hand and bless Mother Earth for divine love, peace, prosperity, and abundance. Let all be protected from all kinds of diseases, including COVID-19. Let all who are suffering from COVID-19 recover from it early and be fit and fine, healthy. Bless all. Please gently place your hands down on your legs. Observe the peacefulness within you. Mentally express thankfulness, gratitude to the divine God and the Creator. Anjali Mudra will do the closing prayer. Om Asato Ma Satgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amrutam Gamaya Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pasyantu Ma Kaschit Dukhavag Bhavet. Om Samasta Loka Sukhinau Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhinau Bhavantu Samasta Loka Sukhinau Bhavantu. Om Santi Santi Santi. Om Tat Sat. Now, gently open your eyes without disturbing the peacefulness within you. How are you feeling? Relaxed? More relaxed? Rejuvenated? More peaceful? More blissful, in a heightened consciousness, isn't it? Yeah, it's a unique experience. Please do practice at your workplace, whenever you get time, whenever it's convenient to you, so that you can get relaxed and rejuvenated. Yoga is a journey of self, through self and to the self. Make yoga your way of life for your own well-being. It's essential in the current times. Now I, on behalf of Bliss Foundation India, express my thankfulness and gratitude to His Excellency Munu Mahwar, the Embassy Staff of Oman, and to each one of you for watching me and joining in the practice. Thank you, and a big thank you. Namaste.